This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Chuck Bennett. This completely remodeled single-story villa is located in the desirable community of townhomes and villas of Diana Shores. Featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, newly installed 20 inches porcelain tile floors throughout, a gorgeous kitchen west/new cabinets, exotic granite counters, glass backsplash and new stainless steel appliances with gas stove and LED lighting. Both baths have been fully updated with all new showers, cabinets, granite, sinks, mirrors, toilets, lighting and plumbing fixtures. There is even a new tankless water heater, washer/dryer, alarm system, screen enclosed covered porch, a backyard and a 1-car garage. Plus, the roof is only 1 year young. Low HOA dues of $86 per month. Centrally located with easy access to shopping, eateries and entertainment. Only 15 minutes to NASA, the beaches and just 45 minutes to Orlando International Airport. Perfect for a full-time residence or weekend getaway near the beach. More photos coming soon. Call Chuck Bennett at 321-865-2126 for more details. For more information, review the details below or contact Chuck Bennett at 321-863-2126.